Today I will take you class in computer in SPIC Sardar Patel Inter College Jiroli Phase 2. First of all, I teach you what is the software and hardware. Today I will explain what is the software and hardware. So first of all, I will explain what is hardware. In a hardware, we can touch anything, we can touch the relief. It is called a hardware. In keyboard, mouse, monitor, it is all of things is a big example of hardware. In a monitor, we can see the anything. In a keyboard, we can do anything, transfer the data by the keyboard. So, in hardware is a definition of we can touch, it is called a hardware. In a hardware, you see that when we want to complete the computer, we have started, then help of the keyboard, mouse and monitor. So, and if we can use the all of things, it is called a hardware. And second thing is, what is the software? So, software is a set of the program. Software is the set of the program. Which types of the program? We cannot see. We cannot touch. We cannot. If any software cannot touch, no, I cannot touch the software. Only we can see, that is called a software. Is a minor difference between a software and hardware is, the hardware is we can touch, but software we cannot touch. Let's see the one picture. Okay, fine. The first of all input, and second is the output, and third is data processing. In the input, in the last lecture I will told you what is the input. The input, we can give any numbers, any data to the computer. It is called a input. And output, this is the result of the computer give to me. It is called a output. In input and output between the working of the software. Who is the working? Is the software doing his working between input and output. And data processing. When we open any file, so you can see one thing is rounding in your monitor. In rounding is a monitor. That's meaning the file is processing. File is open in a processing. At that time, data processing. It is called data processing. When give any data, any file, open the one, we open the computer, it is called input. And software, when we open the processing of the data processing, open the file, try to open the file, that is part called of the data processing. And last, when we open the file and see the monitor, it is called the output. So we can say that software is working between the input and output. I think you better understand what is the difference between hardware and software. So next topic is types of software. I will explain how many types of the software. Four types of the software is here. First is system software. First is system software. Second is application software. Third is utility software. And fourth and last is general purpose of software. So first of all, the system software. What is the system software? If any working in a system, he are carrying and the processing in a system, it is called a system software. In a system software is the working, is the processing in helping to the open the system. It is called a system software. And second is application software. I know very well, you know that what is the application software. And more than application are using in your mobile regular. So what is this the application? When we want to open the window, that's we using application software. Is the WhatsApp, ShareIt, Facebook, any other application software we are using in mobile. When we want to the any mobile, we searching in application ShareIt, a Play Store. You also want to be a store in any. That is the application software. Which software we install in any monitor and a mobile, that we call the application software. We also say this word, which software we are applicable of in your mobile, in your monitor, it is also called a application software. Third is a utility software. I think this is the main important, is a utility software is, what is the utility software? Utility software, we send any file to user, another user. So I want we change some text, pictures also won't be included in that file. So then we using utility software. When utility software is a very big example of the text editor, disk and file manager. So that's meaning the utility software is completely utility of then software. It is called a utility software. At last is general purpose of software. So when we purpose of software, in fourth and last is general purpose of software. In a general purpose of software, we are using personal software, using personal working of a software. It is called a general purpose of software. When we want to any work in ATM, in using banking, any library, any school library, it is all called a general purpose of software. Which software using in this types of the working, it is called a general purpose of software. So I will explain the all four types of the software. So one by one. First is the system software, second is the application software, third is utility software, and last is general purpose of software. Today I will explain what is the software and what is the hardware and types of software. In next lecture I will explain another topic. If you like this detail of this software and hardware, so please like the channel. Okay, thank you so much.